If you like to cycle and see where you're going, you might like this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. This is another light by Thrunite. I actually think it's meant for cycling, but I don't think you have to cycle to buy it. I certainly didn't. This one is their TH20 Pro, so even an amateur like me can get the Pro. And I just thought it looked like an interesting light, so I thought maybe we would take a look at it together, because maybe you have a bike. But in my case, I have a scooter, and so that's where I'm planning on using it. And we'll just see if it lights the way. Let's check it out. So let's go ahead and open this guy up. What I like about it so far is that it is very small. Oh, look at this. So what I really dig is that we get this flashlight right here, and we also get some other stuff. They always come with an instruction booklet and a USB to USB-C charger right there. Oh, we also get a clip right there. I'm actually going to probably take that out because I love flashlights with clips. I hate flashlights that just kind of rattle loose in my pocket. I always feel like I'm going to lose them, and flashlights are expensive and they're really nice, and I hate losing them. But what you can see is that this would be really good for a biker, because you can put this on your head and have it as a headlamp, but it could be good for camping, could be good for walking the dog. We also have this silicone type of mount here, and you can see it's got two loops, and now I can just kind of pull this out. And so what I love about this is that you can aim this wherever you want, but say you don't need it as a headlamp, right? Now I can just take it out and use it like a flashlight, right? So I got that going for me. It's got this little periscope like light right there. You can see the LED emitter in there. We've got some nice knurling right there. It stands only a few inches tall. Some fins right there. Looks like the power button is up here. And then I think, oh, looks like it unscrews right in the middle. So here is where we will get the 14500 920 milliamp hour battery. You can see that it has a little port right there for charging the battery, so it will stay waterproof. O-ring right there. So I'm just going to put that back on. I'm actually going to take this clip here and just go ahead and press it on just like that. Obviously, if you are going to use it in the headlamp, then you might want to take off this clip, but it would probably go in there. Looks like it would just kind of clip over those edges if you wanted to. But now if I just tap this, woo, look at that, goes on. It's pretty bright already. And then tap on off. If I hold down, we go up through the brightness stages. That is the lowest setting. If I double click, we go to a turbo, very bright. And then if I triple click, we get SOS. Look at that. And so if you don't know Morse code, it's doing that SOS on its own. All right. So back here, I actually love turbo. Who doesn't love turbo? Did you ever watch Knight Rider? All right. So now what we got to do is get this charged up, take it out in the wilderness, and see if it works. We're headed out into the woods here. I've got the Thrunite on my head, as it is a headlamp, as well as a little flashlight as well. But let me show you what I can see. All right, so I've got it on my head, and as you can see, I can see right in front of me here. And what's great about this is I could just walk around. I actually think this is the low setting if it went back to memory here. It's actually on the pretty low, but you can see the trees, you know, 50, 60 feet in front of me there. They're not super well illuminated, but 20 feet in front of me, that is really well illuminated. Nice for walking. And if I tap it again, oops, sorry, off. If I hold it down, now it's on medium. And now those trees are actually starting to look pretty bright. If there was something out there, I could tell what it is. I can tell you that there's wind out there. Hold it down one more time. Ooh. Now everything is getting very illuminated, and headlamps are awesome, dude. Just hands-free, baby, hands-free. All right, now I'm gonna give it the old double click to turbo. Ooh, hello, yo doggy. Man, those far trees, really well illuminated. And if I triple click it, what we get is that SOS. So I don't even need to know Morse code. But now someone is going to come rescue me, so I should probably turn this off pretty soon. Otherwise, I'm going to get a helicopter evacuation out of here. But I tell you what, if you want to pick up a headlamp like this, because this thing is the bomb, I will put a link to this guy in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.